Okay, welcome back to Lon's Plumbing. Well, there's what's left of that rotted out timber beam. And then what I did is I sistered them up, put some lags into the beam, and put two joist hangers with 2x8s. The 2x8 up against the main beam, outside beam. And there's where the end of the rot stopped. So yeah, that should lagged it in on each side, so that should take care of it. So there we go. So now the two joist spans are supported and shouldn't fall, especially with that cast iron radiator is right there, so it won't fall in. All right, and I got a post here I'm going to put. So there we go. That's it. Thanks. Have a good one.